Hey guys, Mao here for Unbox Everything. Today I'm going to be unboxing this. It's a true wireless Bluetooth earbuds from Blitzwolf. If you know me, I like trying to get the best Bluetooth earbuds because I like them really minimalist and small and something I can just throw in my bag, bring around without the complication of all the wires and all that. And I've gotten a few, but the problem is that some of them don't fit my ear that well or they cut out. But yeah, I wanted to try out this one from Blitzwolf, which is also a good brand that makes a lot of earphones, headphones, tripods, monopods, things like that. So I thought that it would be a good brand to check out. I also just want to thank Banggood for sending this over and letting me review this. Banggood is a new online shopping app. Like this is based in China and it carries a lot of official products by Xiaomi, Huawei, Blitzwolf, things like that. So if you want to check out more online shopping here in Asia, this might be a good one to check out. There's also a discount coupon for new users, so be sure to download the app and sign up so you can get that discount. I'll also be leaving the download link to the app down below in the description so you can check that out. So again, thank you so much to Banggood for sending this over. I'm really excited to open it and try it out because I've been wanting to pick this up for quite some time. So let's check it out and see if it's worth you picking up. So this specific model is called the bw-fye2. They're already up to version 5, but this is the version 2. And here, this is it inside. There we go. Really nice packaging. It's right up front here. Let's get that out. So here is the charging case. Already it feels really good and it's a really good size. Also inside comes with USB cable. It's a micro USB. Also comes with extra different size ear tips to fit your ears as best as it can, and then a whole bunch of user manuals and stuff like that, which we don't need. Here is the main thing. I'm just gonna peel off this protective plastic. Oh yeah, that's super satisfying. So as you can see, the design of this is really nice. I really like there's the matte black and then the glossy black up here. It just has a really nice design. Feels good, feels like it's made out of solid materials. It's plastic, but it feels really sturdy. If you look at it, here is the size of my phone right beside it. That is my phone, and this is the size. So it's the width of a phone, and yeah, just like that. Alright, so we're gonna open it up right now like this. So it doesn't have a magnet to close, but it's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna open up by itself. So inside, front and center, are the earbuds right there. So we'll take them out. Alright, so put this aside. Here are the earbuds. There they are. So these ones come with this little I don't know what that's called, but it's like a clip thingy to fit your ear better, but you can remove that and have it just without it. We'll try it with and without, and I'll tell you which one fits my ear better. So we're gonna be trying this on and listening to the sound quality, but before that, some quick specifications. It's got Bluetooth 5.0 and it's got automatic pairing, so as soon as you take it out of the charging case, it's gonna pair to your phone. The earphones as well as the charging case are also sweat and water resistant, so you don't need to worry about it if you use it in the gym or if you're walking in the rain, which is kind of sad, but if you're walking in the rain and you don't need to worry about these breaking. And for the battery life of these earbuds and the charging case, it's got playback time of 2.5 hours, call time of 2 hours, standby time is 160 hours, and total playback time when using the charging box, meaning you use it till it dies, charge it up, use it again. The total time that you can use it would be up to 10 hours. So that would mean you can charge these up to 4 times using the charging box before you have to charge the charging box again, if that makes sense. And the earbuds charge for 1 hour while inside the battery case, and to charge up the battery case, it'll take 2 hours. So that's pretty good, pretty fast, and that should be pretty good to get you throughout a day, a week, a couple of days, however much you need to use it. So let's get to the sound quality. I'm gonna try it on right now, pair it up, see how easy it pairs up, and then listen to some music. using these. Alright, so the device paired super fast. I just took it out of the charging case and it popped up on my Bluetooth list and clicked pair, and just like that, now it's paired. So let's listen to some music and I'll tell you how it is. So off the bat, it fits in my ears really well. Not going anywhere. It fits really well, and the noise cancellation is really good. I can barely hear my surroundings, which is perfect if you just want to concentrate better. So now I'm gonna play some music and let's see. Alright, so initially, only one side was playing. You had to press the button on the other side to get it to turn on and pair together. But the sound quality is really good. It's got a really punchy bass. I can feel that bass, and the highs and the lows are pretty much balanced and equalized well, so you can hear a good range of the vocals and the instruments. And yeah, the bass is really good, which is something that a lot of these true wireless earbuds lack, but this one does really well. So first impression, I am impressed. This is really good. These can be bought on the Banggood app for 1,900 pesos. If you are looking for a really good true wireless earbuds, I would highly recommend this, the Blitzwolf BW-FYE2. So it's kind of a long thing to say, but yeah, I can't even say it. BW-FYE2. That is this specific model which I am recommending. It's really good. If you want to pick it up, I will leave the link to the product in the description below, as well as the product category where you can find these and other electronic devices and gadgets, and again, the download link to the app also in the description. Oh, and one last thing, I'm going to be leaving some discount codes in the description below so that when you order this product, you can just punch in those codes and get yourself a very special discount from Unbox Everything. So I just hope that you use that if you want to get a discount and pick this up for yourself. Super cool. Alright, so that has been my quick review and unboxing of the Blitzwolf BW-FYE2. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful, helping you decide if you want to pick these up for yourself. But hey, if it's your first time here at my channel and you're new, I do a lot of tech reviews, tech unboxings of gadgets like this, so if you're interested in seeing more of that stuff, consider subscribing. If you want to see my review of the Huawei True Wireless Earbuds, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may like, click or tap the screen right over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh.